Hey guys, Ellie from the YouLi support team here to walk you through all of the different ways you can initiate payments on your YouLi trip pages for your travelers. We have 5 different ways for your travelers to pay you through YouLi. And we're actually going to start today by looking at those payments from the traveler's point of view. So I'm going to go to my manage people, and then we're actually going to go down to Ben's here page and view as Ben. I want to show you guys what it looks like for Ben to have all of the payment options shown on his trip page. So I go to Ben's here costs, right? His ability to make his payment. I scroll down and I can see these 5 different options to pay my deposit as Ben. I have the option to go to our donation page, right? Our trip donation page, if that's something that you might be able to utilize. Right, when I click this donation page, you're going to go to our donations page. You're going to notice, right, that a little description of what this trip or payment option pops up underneath the amount to be paid. When I click this pay now, I will get bumped out of YouLi to the link that you have set to this donation page. I also have the option as Ben to pay over phone, which I then would have here the number that you set for him to call, and you would get notified as the planner when Ben then presses here. I also have the option as Ben to pay with credit card. When I click the Pay Now button to pay with credit card, I'm going to have the pop-up for my email, credit card number, right, month, security code, all powered through Stripe because I have attached my Stripe account to my YouLi account. I also, as Ben, have the option here to do a direct bank transfer, of which you would then put in that information here. And again, right, all of those directions that you will have the option to personalize here for Ben to read. You also can attach your PayPal for Ben to then make that payment through your PayPal if that's something that you also utilize. When he clicks the Pay Now button, he'll get bumped out of YouLi to that PayPal link. All right. So now let's go ahead and look how you can initiate all of these, but more likely just some of these into your YouLi trip. So I click Edit Trip. I get bumped back into my trip planner page. I'm in the Update Trip, and then I'm going to click on the Cost tab, which is where I set all of those payment methods. As you can see here, I've checked all of the 5 options. And now we're going to just kind of look through each one. So I've attached my Stripe account to my YouLi account, which you can do by going to your account and setting it up there. Right? I've also gone ahead and checked bank transfer, which you would then input your information. I've also attached my PayPal link. You would put your PayPal link here, right? And then your email that you would like those payment notifications to go through, right? You here would put the number that you want your travelers to call to make a payment, as well as that click to call if they're on mobile. Right, here is the option to provide a custom payment link. And now I want to go ahead and show you what this advanced options button is. So all of your payment options have this, and here is the payment guidance that showed up at the bottom when you clicked each of those pages. Right, you can personalize the directions that you want to give your travelers when they click the Pay Now option. And then here is the email that your travelers are going to get when they click the Pay Now. Often it's going to be a payment in pending email, right? While you confirm that all of the money and payment came through on your end, your travelers will then also get a confirmation email once that is reconciled and finalized. A lot of these options in YouLi are premium options. So if you would like to initiate some of these, look through all of our options on YouLi and pick the right package that's right for you. Let me know if you have any other questions, and feel free to check out our Help Center as well.